Pe?
Actually, after ng DNP, sabi nila sa akin, okay, basahin mo tong libro. As in, ganun ka-casual. Binigay lang nila libro and then sabi nila sa akin, basahin mo next project mo. Then I read it. Habang nagpo-promote po kami ng DNP sa Visayas, sa airplane, binabasa ko na siya. And it was really good. Actually, I don't really read. I don't like reading books. Pero yung Talk Back and It was the second book ko na nabasa ko and na natapos ko. It was really nice. Actually, umiyak ako dun sa last part.
Sa'yo yung airplane.
The one, basta yun. Sobrang umiyak ako. So, after reading the book, sobrang kinabahan ako. Kasi ayoko pong ma-disappoint yung mga diehard fans ng book. Ayokong maka-disappoint. But then, you're really confident naman po.
Okay, more questions.
Hi, I'm Jude Cartalam. I'm taking on these questions for Exenoman. Prior to, this question goes to James and to Nadine. Prior to being paired in Diary ng Pangit, yung tandem nyo ba went through a series of tests or before being paired or
Paano ba nabuo ang JD?
yeah, paano siya nabuo?
Wala
Tapos
naman.
blockbuster agad, nakakaloka.
Wala naman.
Wala kang pinanggalingang TV show.
Or you were just paired right away in Diary ng Pangit?
Actually, last year po, si James, nagkaroon siya ng music video, which is yung Alam Niya Ba. Ako yung leading lady niya.
Okay.
So, yun lang po.
Okay.
And after that, DNP na.
Okay.
Doon nagsimula yun.
Doon nagsimula sa music video.
So how was your impression toward each other?
The first time.
Yes, the first time.
He was cute. She had these bangs back then. But, you know, I found her cute and we got along really well.
Ipabangs na rin kayo. may ano pala, plus points kay James.
Okay. Kasi well, first time kong nakita si James talaga was sa workshop. May workshop siya kami in-attendan parehas. Pero hindi kami nag-usap as in walang hi, walang...
Is this with the other channel?
No po, with Viva po.
With Viva.
Workshop po ng Viva. Then as in wala. So parang nagkausap lang po talaga kami sa Alam Niya Ba na music video shoot niya. Tahimik siya nung una. So akala ko parang mukhang mahihirapan ako dito. Kasi kilig yung song, kailangan magpakilig kaming dalawa. Medyo kinabahan ako, but then habang sinushoot namin, okay naman. Maganda naman pala siya.
Okay. We all know that Katniel tandem is a blockbuster. So ano ba yun? What makes you think na your tandem is different from Katniel and is also a big hit for other fans?
We don't try to be different. We just try to be ourselves. But it's very flattering that people compare us to them because sila yung pinakamalakas na love team. So it's really flattering.
Okay, so picking up from that, how do you feel being compared to Danielle and Catherine? Nadine being compared to Catherine as well.
Well, actually, at first, when we first met, I thought she looked like Catherine. But when I look at her, no, I don't see
Iba
it.
na.
Really. But yeah, like I said, I'm just really flattered that we're being compared to them. You know, that they think we're at that level. And it's only been 3 months, I think, 4 months. 4 months?
8.
No, since then.
Oh yes, Miss DNP.
Okay, since from the very start that you've worked together in your MTV, how's your relationship now as you personally?
Are you trying to imply? How's the personal thing about
and professionally?
Okay.
But before, syempre, with DNP, meron pang awkwardness. I mean, ngayon, we're more comfortable with each other. So, yun po. And syempre, yung friendship namin, it goes to a much higher level. And syempre, with everyone then, with Yasi and Andre, since DNP, sobrang close kaming lahat.
James?
It took a couple of kisses before we got used to each other. But now, we're really comfortable with each other. And we've been through so much, so.
Okay, last na to. Who do you want to follow